AETHEL'NAR'S memory, and Aetherion Sky Transmission. In the previous episode, we opened a door. The strange speed of Sumer, the central presence of the ziggurats, and that word echoing through the tablets, Anunnaki. Now we open that door a little wider. This time, a single figure stands at the center of the stage. In the text, his name is Noah. But who was he really? 4 great narratives speak of him. In the Torah, he is the man warned before the flood. In the Bible, the chosen survivor. In the Quran, the patient servant who built the ark. In the Sumerian tablets, he appears under other names: Utnapishtim, Ziusudra, Atrahasis. Names change, the story remains. Great water, great decision, great beginning again. But the real question is this: what was the vessel at the heart of this story? Some researchers ask a more radical question. What if the flood was not only about water? What if there was population management, a form of selection, even an experiment? Today we know that Dolly the sheep was cloned. Genetic sequences can be stored. Species can be recreated. Then the question becomes legitimate. Could the ark in the ancient texts have been not a wooden structure, but a system carrying biological data? This thought disturbs. Yet disturbing questions sometimes open the truest doors. The traditional reading speaks of a wooden ship, about 150 meters long, 25 meters wide, 3 levels, pairs of animals, people, food. Let us place mathematics on the table. Modern science speaks of nearly 8.7 million living species: insects, mammals, birds, plants, microscopic life. Is it physically possible for such diversity to fit into a wooden structure? The question is simple. The answer is difficult. Because this is not only a matter of space. Feed, water, waste, climate, disease, a journey lasting months. From an engineering perspective, the equation collapses. Then 2 possibilities remain. Either reading the text literally as a mistake, or what we call the ark was something else. In the tablets, Enki enters the scene. The intellect of creation, the keeper of waters, the mind of life. Enlil is the hard face of order, the one who decides to erase, the one who sets limits. 2 brothers, 2 wills, and between them, humanity. Enki warns Noah, gives measurements, plans, directions. This language does not resemble a carpenter. It resembles a project manager. What if the ark was not a vehicle, but a biological archive? A laboratory where seeds, species, and the codes of life were preserved. Think of the seed vaults built in the north today. The genetic heritage stored for days of catastrophe. If the modern mind can imagine this, why not the ancient? Another question emerges here. Why are the races different? Some traditions speak more boldly. They say humanity did not come from a single point, but was brought to this stage from different sources, placed into suitable regions, shaped according to climate and design. This view is not scientific, yet it leaves strong traces in mythic memory. Science says humanity is one species, differences formed by migration and adaptation. Myths speak another language. We place both languages side by side, not to judge, but to see. Another scene appears in the tablets: Igigi, those tired of heavy labor, those who objected to the order. If these lines are not metaphors, the Anunnaki system was not a flawless paradise, but a tense model of governance. Where was humanity in this structure? Servant, partner, or merely resource? Perhaps 2 different models confronted each other. One wanted to preserve, one wanted to reset. Noah stands within this tension. Maybe a prophet, maybe an engineer, maybe both. The narratives do not portray Noah as passive. He receives instructions, calculates, applies. The flood begins to resemble not a miracle, but a pre-planned operation. This reading disturbs, because destiny begins to look like a table of engineers. Let us widen the stage. Traces of the flood do not appear only in Mesopotamia. Asia, America, Africa hold similar memories. Different languages, the same water. Some claim the ark could travel the skies, a structure moving between layers. Think of the years of the Second World War, expeditions to the poles, lost files, silent archives. We do not deliver final verdicts here. Wooden ship or laboratory? Prophet or technician? If a true reset occurred, who decided? Who erased? On which line do we stand today? Humanity may not only be a victim, it may be witness, experiment, partner. Was the flood a punishment or an update of a project? This episode is not a claim, it is an invitation. In the next chapter, we will descend into the lines of the tablets, to laws, seals, sky records. Thank you for watching. The sky is only the beginning.